Basic English Grammar Lesson 1, Part of Speech, Nouns, Names of People, Places, Things, Idea.
Here's a sentence that includes examples of different types of nouns. In Paris, Mary bought a book about love and democracy. Proper noun is Paris, name of a place, name of a person is Mary, thing is book, idea is love and democracy. Another sentence using different types of nouns. The ancient city of Rome is famous for its architecture and history. Proper noun is Rome, name of a place. Common noun is city, thing is architecture, idea is history. Verbs, actions or state. Here are the two main categories of verbs. 1. Action verbs. These verbs describe physical or mental actions that someone or something performs. Examples: run, jump, think, write, eat. 2. State of being verbs, or linking verbs. These verbs describe a state of existence, condition, or relationship. Examples: am, is, are, was, were, feel, seem.
Here are example sentences using action verbs. 1. Physical actions. Example: she runs every morning to stay fit. The children play in the park after school. He biked to work instead of taking the bus. They built a sandcastle on the beach. 2. Mental actions. Example: she thinks deeply before making decisions. He imagined what it would be like to travel to space. They plan their vacations months in advance. She writes poetry in her spare time. 3. Verbs showing other actions. Example: the cat pounced on the mouse. The chef prepared a delicious meal for the guests. The students studied hard for their exams. The artist painted a stunning landscape. These sentences demonstrate various action verbs used in different contexts to describe physical, mental, or other types of actions.
Adjectives describe nouns. Adjectives are words that describe or modify nouns, a person, place, thing, or idea, by providing additional information about their qualities or attributes. Here are examples of how adjectives function. 1. Describing physical qualities. Beautiful flowers bloomed in the garden. The tall skyscraper dominated the city skyline. She wore a soft sweater on a chilly day. 2. Describing emotional or abstract qualities. The movie was exciting and entertaining. He felt happy and grateful after receiving the gift. Her speech was inspiring and motivational. 3. Describing quantities or numbers. There were many people at the event. He ate 3 delicious cookies for dessert. They bought several new books for their library. Adjectives play a crucial role in providing vivid descriptions and details that enhance our understanding and perception of nouns in sentences. Adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs, indicating manner, place, time, degree, etc. Adverbs add details to verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs in various ways. 1. Manner. Adverbs that describe how an action is performed. Example: she sings beautifully. Here, beautifully describes how she sings. 2. Place. Adverbs that indicate where an action occurs. Example: they looked everywhere for the lost keys. Everywhere specifies the place where they searched. 3. Time. Adverbs that specify when or how often an action happens. Example: he arrived late for the meeting. Late indicates the time of his arrival. 4. Degree. Adverbs that express the intensity or degree of an action or quality. Example: she was extremely tired after the long hike. Extremely emphasizes the degree of her tiredness. 5. Frequency. Adverbs that indicate how often something happens. Example: they often go hiking on weekends. Often describes the frequency of their hiking trips. 6. Purpose. Adverbs that indicate the reason or purpose of an action. Example: she studied hard to pass the exam. Hard describes the manner in which she studied, indicating intensity or effort. 7. Conjunction. Adverbs that connect clauses or sentences. Example, he ran quickly, so he caught the bus. Quickly connects the two clauses and indicates the manner in which he ran. These examples demonstrate how adverbs modify verbs. Sings, looked, arrived, was, go, studied, ran. Adjectives, beautifully, late, extremely, often, hard, or other adverbs, everywhere, quickly. Adverbs are essential for adding specificity and context to language, helping to paint a clearer picture of actions, qualities, and circumstances.